Hey everyone, my name is Alex, co-founder of Wattch. Thank you for logging in to see our pitch at this virtual demo day. The last 15 years have seen transformative growth for the US solar industry, with prices plummeting and new technologies becoming available seemingly every day. Historically though, this value creation has only been available at the utility scale or through the very largest of the residential developers. But I'm excited to say this has been changing quickly. As of the end of 2019, nearly half of all solar firms employ 10 or fewer people, and the US is going to build 300 gigawatts of distributed, non-utility solar over just the next 5 years. I say this not to diminish the equally exciting growth in the utility segment, but to highlight that a recent and fundamental shift in economics has created an entirely new class of mid-scale, community-focused energy providers, and that their needs are being wildly underserved. Energy data systems for monitoring and managing solar that exist today are designed for large, sophisticated enterprises. They are expensive, hard to use, and notorious for creating complexity. Over 100 customer interviews have shown us that mid-scale providers are deeply dissatisfied with current options. More often than not, they end up being forced to operate blindly. And this is the problem that Wattch was founded to solve. Our solution begins with the Wattch Data Gateway, a robust, purpose-built, first-party product that combines the functionality of multiple traditional monitoring components into one. This will meaningfully decrease both failure rates and overall cost. Since the Ready contest, we have evolved our product from a proof of concept through 6 prototype iterations and now onto a final release candidate. As you watch this recording, our partners in the American-made network are pushing our design to its limits. The Wattch Data Gateway runs in hard real time, helping to fundamentally eliminate the flakiness of traditional SCADA field computers. And at a 20th of the cost, we are able to give the hardware away with any subscription to our cloud platform. But securely transmitting data is just the beginning. For most mid-scale providers, making use of performance actuals is a complex, time-consuming, highly manual, and error-prone process. Most tools on the market simply aren't compatible with each other, and inboxes and downloads folders end up being the main points of data integration. With Wattch, teams have access to a single, unified source of truth through a fast and intuitive cloud portal. To start, we answer the question, are my assets performing as they should? Owners can take a portfolio-level view, then drill down to the right customer, project, inverter, or module. We help identify problems as they emerge, and KPIs are easy to access out of the box with little or no configuration. As part of our voucher funding, we are working with experts at Sandia National Labs to improve our models and offer next-generation intelligence around solar performance. We will compute and visualize where losses are occurring live. After identifying problems, Wattch will help resolve them. We are working with our customers and pilot partners to build an O&M dataset that will power our automated diagnostics engine. Understanding what is wrong before heading into the field means always bringing the right parts and the right people on the first truck roll. Wattch was founded by a team of hardware and software engineers with a shared passion for renewable energy. Together, we have the diverse and complementary experiences necessary to successfully execute on a sophisticated industrial IoT platform. By bringing this talent in-house, rather than relying on third-party contractors, we can remain extremely capital efficient, minimize our technical debt, and build a platform that will be both performant and scalable for years to come. Since the Ready contest earlier this year, Wattch has gone live at 33 locations, totaling over 3 megawatts of capacity. With a current sales pipeline of more than 100 megawatts, we aim to have Wattch running at least 1 gigawatt of distributed energy assets by this time next year. Solar monitoring and controls is a rapidly growing $10 billion industry, but we believe the Wattch platform has even broader applications. We are currently exploring opportunities in intelligent energy storage, load management, and building automation. Altogether, Wattch is positioned to not simply disrupt the traditional solar monitoring industry, but to become the operating system for modern distributed energy companies. Funding from a Go contest win would let us scale our team and our resources to keep up with the incredible demand we have seen for our platform. And with continued access to the world-class AMC network, we will deliver a compelling, secure, and reliable product that will help accelerate the American solar industry for years to come.